Hello everyone, we are back with another video. Okay, in the previous video, we created the game in which the code is run only on console. Okay, we didn't have the separate GUI or any application mode that can turn our code into like a game or whatever. First of all, we imported the library Tkinter, okay, STK import random as previously we imported. Then we give the dictionary, we give the array of words that are the fruits. Okay, we can write here fruit, secret word, that is random dot choice word that is selected from the word, and guess letters, that is empty array, and chances we are giving is 6. Okay, what is the difference only here is we don't use print or like update on the console. We will use everything our window. Okay, GUI window. After that, we have here the function of update display, and same coding is used that we have done in our previous program. Word label. Okay, we are not printing. You are using print and print line or whatever. We just use here word label. Okay, labeling for use for labeling on the text box. Guess label and chances label, that how many chances. Now, if not guess letter is at alpha or length is not equal to 1, message label enter only one letter. It means if we are entering more than two guess letters, like if I want to guess A, but I type A and with P, that it will give this error, or this will give this label to show us that only we can enter only one letter. If letter in guess letters, if we have, it means when we previously guessed the letter and we want to guess, we re-enter it, then it will show this already guess. Okay, guess letter dot append dot, all guess letter will append in letter. Okay, now if letter in secret word that's selected from the array, then message then it will show this label that is correct. Else, if it not in the label, then we have -1 chance and it will show the label wrong. Update all display. Okay, now update display. What we have done, if all guess letter for L in secret word, okay, message label dot text U1. If we have correctly, it means if we have correctly guessed all the letters, then it will show the label U1. Otherwise, guess button, guess button will got disabled, guess entry will got disabled. All things disabled. Else, if we have not and we have chances equal to 0, then it will show us the label you lost, and will show the secret word that is selected that we were unable to guess, and all display button is disabled and entry got disabled. Now, we in this GUI setup, we have set our screen window. For example, it's like a CSS, or it's like a given the designing or array or correction. Okay, all labels and the chances label window, guess label window, they are all same. But word label is size different. Then guess entry also 14, guess update display and window dot main loop. Okay, it will enter in the main loop. Let's try to run the program. Okay. Here we have a window GUI and is a 6 letters. What it can be, let's start with A. Guess. Okay. It's, I think it's banana. No, it's must be orange. O. o- no. Uh, G, R, P, and E. You won. It's working. Now we will run it another time for to guess all wrong letters to check whether that function is working or not. Okay, you lost by 1 second.